Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Saleh and this is a weekly market recap. In this video, we are going to answer a very important question. Is it too late to join the rally that happened last week, or should you wait for a correction to join the market? So let's start first with the key messages. So the market had one of the best weeks since very long time. The election went very smoothly. Trump secured a win without any issues. Many people were afraid that if Harris won the election, then Trump would make some problems. But Trump won, and we know that Trump is good for the stock market. Also, we had the Fed acting as expecting, reducing the interest rate by 0.25%. And the answer to the question is it's never too late to catch a rally. If you didn't manage to go in last week, you should now start to go in one by one and have your stop loss ready. Okay. Now we go into more details. So about last week, all the indices had an all-time high, and Russell's had a 52 weeks high. Actually, Russell was the star of the week, scoring 8.6%. And the reason for that is that Trump has promised to protect the local industry, and he's pro-America. He's saying, let's build America first. And so many are expecting that the small caps will flourish at the time of Trump. Plus, when the Fed reduced the interest rate by 0.25%, it's also good news because these companies are borrowing money to expand, and they will borrow now with lower interest rate. So overall, the market was very strong, and it's one of the best weeks since very long time. Okay, so I got some question about, like last time we said that there is a negative diversion and we expected the market to go down, and the market was going down. We have to understand a very important principle in the chart analysis and technical analysis is that the news is always killing the chart. And this time the news has killed the chart. When you get a good news like Trump winning with no hesitation in the market, with no any issue, then this was a very good news that was not discounted in the market, and it just reversed all the charts. Okay, you can see here that the negative diversion is now ended and the market is doing all-time high. It's a very nice rally that we had last week, and we have to be always ready when we do an analysis, chart analysis or technical analysis, that we might have a news that reverse all the analysis. For example, if you have a company that produced a good result while the company trend was going down, it will kill the chart. That chart will reverse and the stock will reverse and go up. So always take it as a rule that any news can kill the chart, and you have to be ready with this. Okay, you have to be flexible. All right, so this is what I've seen in the MACD, the negative diversion, which now has ended, and we have seen it always also in the Finviz indicators. So last time we talked about 4 indicators in the financial visualization, and we've seen now that the new high has jumped from 299 to 2,105, which is like 10 times in one day because of the good news that happened in the market. Also, you can see here that the number of stocks above the simple moving average 50 has jumped from 43% to 52%, and now it's 61%. The same happened for the stocks that are above the 200 simple moving average. They are going now into the right direction, and the gap is closing between the simple moving average 50 and the simple moving average 200. So it's the number of companies that are above the simple moving average 50 is catching on the number of companies that are above the simple moving average 200, which is a very good news. So now all these indicators has started to give us good indication because of the news that we had last week. Okay, good. So what is expected next week? Next week we have some companies are going to announce results, and we have also the inflation report that's going to be announced on Wednesday in the morning. We expect about 2.6%, which is higher than the 2.4% that we had last time. But if the news comes within the expectation, then there should not be any reaction in the market. It's just a confirmation that that the inflation is going into the right direction. It's still low. 2.6 is still low, even if it's higher than the last month inflation. Okay. And again, the answer to the question, it is never too late to join the rally. Why is that? We say that always the average of the bull market duration is 5 years. Today we are in year number 3. We are starting year number 3. So the bull market started in October 22. We had 23, and now we are end of 24. So we are starting the third year, and we should have another 2 years or 3 years in front of us. Plus, we have talked last time that November is normally one of the best months in the year, with an average in the last 10 years 3.1%. Plus, we have talked again last time that we have the history is with us, because whenever the Fed cut rates in a good economy, then we have 100% probability that we are going to have an increase of the market in the next 3, 6, 9, 12 months. Okay. I'll post the video for the Trump effect at the end of the video so that you can go through it in your free time. And that would be it for this week. Thank you very much. I hope you are enjoying these videos, and best of luck. Have a profitable trade.